Hi, this is question 3 in the week 3 math counts handout, and it says, Priya had a certain number of pencils at the beginning of school. She gave her brother half of those pencils, and then she gave Joy a third of the remaining pencils, after which she gave Ron 2, and that left Priya with 2 pencils for herself. So the question is asking how many pencils did she have at the beginning of school. So let's break this down. At first, Priya had a whole amount of pencils, right? Pencils. One whole amount of pencils. But then she gave her brother half of those. So I'm gonna write bro. She gave him half. And then out of that remaining half that she had that she didn't give to her brother, she gave Joy 1/3 of that. So if Joy got 1/3 of 1/2 of the total amount of pencils, well then, remember guys, of means multiplication. So that's 1/3 times 1/2 equals 1/6 of the total amount of pencils is how much Joy got. Her brother, Priya's brother, got 1/2 of the total amount of pencils, which is equal to 3/6. So between her brother and Joy, they both had 4/6 the total amount of pencils, which is equal to 2/3. So if those two people had 2/3 of the total amount of pencils, well, that leaves 1/3 is for Ron and for Priya, right? So 1/3 is remaining for remains. So if 1/3 is what's remaining, how many pencils is that? So 1/3 is the fraction, but what about the actual number? Well, there's 2 left for Ron, and then there's another 2 left for Priya, so that's 4 remaining. And so if 1/3 of the total amount is 4 remaining, well then 1/2 of the total amount is just going to be 3 times that, right? It's going to be 4 times 3, which is equal to 12 pencils. So at the beginning of school, Priya had 12 pencils.